In this video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to turn on auto dubbing on YouTube. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into youtube.com, and then to enable this, you should know that auto dubbing is not available for everyone. It is only available for YouTube partners. So if you're a YouTube partner, then you should have this option. So if you are a YouTube partner, then you would need to do this step. So first, go into youtube.com, log in into your account, which is a YouTube partner, and then go into YouTube Studio by clicking here. In here, you would want to go into the settings right here in the bottom left. Once you're here, is that you want to go into upload defaults, and then in here, you should have the enable auto dub option when you go here into your upload defaults. In my case, I don't have one because this account is only a tutorial account, which is not yet eligible for YouTube partner. And once you have enabled that, then you should now be able to see that when you upload a new video, you'd now be able to get here into the settings of your video when you're watching it, and then go into audio track, and then you could now select the language that you would want. So by default, these are the 9 audio track or audio dub that is currently available in YouTube. So if you don't have the specified language that you'd want right here to be dubbed into your video, then it might be that it's not available yet. You'd have to wait for a few more updates, and maybe YouTube will work on it and add more language into your auto dubbing. So yeah, to use that, you just simply need to go here into audio track and then just select the language that you'd want. Since we have enabled it in our settings in the upload defaults, it will now be applied automatically when you upload new videos from now on. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. This is how you can turn on auto dubbing on YouTube.